Welcome back. In this video, I will tell you about the world rare stamps. Stamp from United States 1861 3-cent pink, Scott number 64. Among the best centered example of this rare mint stamp obtainable with delightful true pink color and a wonderful showpiece. New Zealand, Scott number 2, Stanley Gibbon number 2, 1855, 2D dull blue, Queen Victoria, Shallon head on bluet paper, watermarked D, large star, imperforate, 4 full margins. Etutaki 18E, Scott number 1480, Stanley Gibbon number 1917, 1 shilling, vermilion, King George V of the New Zealand, overprinted error, Tirinigi without dot. Mesopotamia N53, Scott number, Stanley Gibbon number 15, 1921, 1 hour on 10 pi, red brown, sweet waters of the Europe stamp of Turkey with British occupation overprint. Nevis stamp, Scott number 13, Stanley Gibbon number 14A, 1876, 1 shilling, yellow green, medicinal spring, engraved on white vertically laid paper, perforation 15, the greatest rarity. Lab 1, 67A variety, Scott number 1896, 2-cent black and blue, Jubilee of Session SG type 16 overprint, imperforate vertical pair, very rare. Mesopotamia, Scott number N10, Stanley Gibbon 9, 1917, half A on 10 PA, Carmine, Constantinople, Postal Jubilee stamp of Turkey, surcharge type 1, perforation 12 and a half. Malaya, Scott number 38, 1938, $5, green and red on yellow, Sultan Suleiman, watermarked script CA, perforation 14, scarce, especially used. Malta stamp, Scott number 65, Stanley Gibbon 96, 1919, 10 shilling, black shipwreck of St. Paul, watermarked MCA, perforation 14, Scott value $3,500. Mesopotamia, Scott number N5, Stanley Gibbon 6, 1917, 2 Anna on 1 PI, bright blue Mosque of Sultan Ahmed, stamp of Turkey, surcharge type 1, tied to a piece. Malta stamp, Scott number 2, Stanley Gibbon 1, 1860, half T buff, Queen Victoria on bluet paper, unwatermarked, perforation 14, rare and key stamp of Malta, which is seldom seen. This is Mauritius, Scott number 19, Stanley Gibbon 34, 1859 to 61, 1 shilling, vermilion, Britannia, unwatermarked, imperforate with 4 full margins, very scarce. Our next stamp is Etutaki, Scott number 33, variety footnoted, 1920, 1 shilling, black and purple, Evutua, Harbour variety, frame printed double, a right margin example which displays both frames completely. Australia, 24D, Scott number 46, Stanley Gibbon 1861, 1 shilling, deep green swan, watermark swan sideways, perforation 14 to 16, very rough, rare. Well, our next stamp is Jordan 78 variety, Scott number 103A variety, Stanley Gibbon 1923, 1P deep indigo, stamp of Palestine, overprinted type 11, reading downward. Well, Mauritius 78, Scott number 114, Stanley Gibbon 1883, 16 cent on 17 cent rose, watermarked CC, perforation 14 with provisional overprint type 28A. Well, Mesopotamia, Scott number N6, 1917, 2 Anna on 1 PI, ultramarine, Journal Post Office, Constantinople, stamp of Turkey with Arabic letter B, carmine, overprint type 1. Well, Nevis 1, Scott number 1 variety, Stanley Gibbon 1861, 1D, dull lake, medicinal spring on bluet paper, unwatermarked, perforation 13, rich color and exceptionally well centered. Stamp from Mauritius 151, Scott number 195, Stanley Gibbon 1910, 10R, green and carmine on green, King Edward VII, watermarked MCA, perforation 14, rarely offered as a single. United States 1871 7 cent vermilion H grill, Scott number 138, slightly disturbed original gum, and vivacious color printed on clean white paper. Well, this is United States 1870 90 cent carmine H grill, Scott number 144, original gum and hinged, excellent appearing example of this major rarity. Scott value $25,000. Mesopotamia N11, Scott number 1917, 1 Anna on 20 PA, blue Constantinople postal jubilee stamp of Turkey, surcharged type 1, perforation 13 and a half. Well, stamp from United States, 1893 Colombian, $3 yellow green, Scott number 243, original gum and excellent shade and impression. Lovely example of this scarce mint stamp. This is Mauritius, Scott number E4A, Stanley Gibbon E6B, 1904 15 cent grey green coat of arms without value in label, express delivery inland, locally surcharge in red color. Well, Zanzibar J11, Scott number D17, Stanley Gibbon 1927 to 30, 75 cent, black on orange, postage due, roulette 10, and a great rarity, value $9,000. Stamp from Mauritius, Scott number 84, 117, Stanley Gibbon 1887, 2 cent on 13 cent, slate color Queen Victoria surcharge type 31 in red color, local printing and only 100 were sold. New Britain stamp, Scott number 1, Stanley Gibbon 1, 1914, 1 day on 3 fanning brown jacket, first setting, only 200 were printed and rare and vastly under-catalogued. Stamp from Mauritius, Scott number 38, Stanley Gibbon 66, 1872, 9D yellow-green, Queen Victoria, watermarked CC, perforation 14, under-catalogued and light B53 barred cancel. Jordan 89, Scott number 83B, Stanley Gibbon 1923, 1 PI on 5 PI, deep purple stamp of Palestine, surcharge type 1 in black, 4 in violet and 8 in black, perforation 1514. US 1893 Colombian $5 black, Scott number 245, original gum, hinge remnant, good looking stamp with rich color and a couple of tiny thin specks, value $2,400. Stamp from Malta, Scott number 58, variety Stanley Gibbon 80W 1914 to 18, 6D dull and bright purple, King George 5, perforation 14, variety watermarked MCA inverted, unique to date. This is United States 1894, $1 black type 2, Scott 261A, original gum and previously hinged, well centered with large margins and gorgeous centering, Scott value $2,100. Jordan 35 variety, Scott number 36A, Stanley Gibbon 1922, 20 PI on 20 PI, pale grey stamp of Palestine, hand stamp surcharge type 3 in violet, perforation 1514. Zanzibar stamp, Scott number 175, Stanley Gibbon 295, 1921 to 29, 10R green and brown, dough stamp, watermarked script CA sideways, perforation 14, very rare and under-catalogued. Malaya Terengganu, Scott number N35, Stanley Gibbon J120, 1942, 2 cent green, Sultan Suleiman with Japanese occupation, overprint type 16 in black color, scarce and under-catalogued. Mauritius 101, Scott number 144, Stanley Gibbon 1902, 5 cent dull purple and bright purple on buff coat of arms, watermarked CA, perforation 14, rare used. Stamp from Mesopotamia, Scott number N4, Stanley Gibbon 5, 1917, 1 Anna on 20 PA, red castle stamp of Turkey, surcharge type 1, rare, only 274 were printed and this is under-catalogued. Stamp from Malta, Scott number 114, Stanley Gibbon 140, 1925, 1 pound black and bright carmine, allegory of Malta, watermarked script CA upright, perforation 14, quite rare. Australia Victoria, Scott number B2, Stanley Gibbon 354, 1897, 2.5D, red brown hospital charity fund, semi-postal, watermarked V over crown, sideways. perforation 12 and a half. Stamp from Malta 167 to 83, Scott number 1930, 1/4 D to 10 shilling St. Paul's, inscribed postage and revenue set, watermarked script CA, multiple perforation 14. Well, Jamaica 93 variety, Scott number 1922, 3D myrtle green and blue, landing of the Columbus, perforation 14, variety watermark MCA inverted, extremely rare. Well, stamp from Zanzibar J18 variety to 23 variety, footnoted, Scott number 1956 to 62, 5 cent to 1 shilling, postage due on chalk surface paper, watermarked MSCA. Stamp from Malta, Scott number 116 to 29, 1926, 14D to 10 shilling, Allegre's overprinted, postage, complete set of 14 and the net estimated value $750. Well, stamp from Hong Kong, 70A variety, listed Scott number 53 AS Stanley Gibbon, 1898, $1 on 96 cent, grey black, Queen Victoria, surcharge, watermark CA, perforation 14, overprinted, specimen. Zanzibar 168 variety, Scott number 1921, 50 cent, myrtle green, Sultan Khalif bin Haru, perforation 14, rare variety, watermarked script CA, inverted and reversed. Well, stamp from Bahamas, Scott number 1A, Stanley Gibbon 1, 1859, 1D reddish lake, Queen Victoria, unwatermarked, thick opaque paper, imperforate, 2 margins in at left, touches at the bottom. I hope you liked the video. Thank you and keep visiting and watching the videos and give your comments and suggestions.